Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. Today in front of me is a 2026 Chaparral 21 SSI. This boat is powered by a Mercury Mercruiser 4.5, 250 horse. Here in the aft, you have a large sun pad area that has 3 different seating configurations. Lift this seat up as a walk-through so you're not walking on the upholstery. Silicone based upholstery throughout this boat. 17-gallon ice chest. Snap-in C-deck flooring throughout the boat. Large SIMRAD display. LED lights. Deep bow seating, JL audio speakers, and your anchor locker. Stop by our Grand Lake store today to come check this boat out, or give me a call at 918-676-6868. And check out our website, nicholsmarine.com, for more new and used inventory. Thanks for watching.